Ready to unleash your online potential with a stunning WordPress website powered by Hostinger. Let's dive into a seamless guide on installing WordPress on Hostinger, ensuring you're up and running in no time. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, navigate to the websites section here. You'll find a list of your hosted domains. Select the domain where you want to install WordPress. Now, locate the Auto Installer or WordPress option, usually found in the control panel. This is the easiest method. Click on it to begin the automated installation. Fill out the required information, such as your website title, admin username, password, and email address. Be sure to choose a strong password. Hostinger may pre-fill some of this information for you. With all the details set, click Install. Hostinger will now automatically install WordPress for you. This usually takes just a few minutes. Congratulations! WordPress is now installed on your Hostinger account. You can access your WordPress dashboard by going to your domain.com web admin, using the credentials you just created. Log in and start customizing your website, adding content, and exploring the endless possibilities of WordPress. And that's how you install WordPress on Hostinger. Happy creating!